Good afternoon, everyone. I am Cristel Parungao, research analyst from BPI Securities, and I will be talking about writing investment risk. So just like all other investments, stocks are prone to risk. This section discusses potential negative industry and company developments that could pose a risk to your investment thesis. Risks can be operational or financial or related to regulatory issues or legal proceedings. In short, this section is an overview of the risks associated with investing in your chosen stock. It's like a disclaimer that says, here are the things that would make our stock recommendation incorrect. A good starting point for your investment risks would be the company's disclosures. Usually, company management would discuss in their annual reports the different risk factors that affect their company's business. As you can see in the left, we can write the investment risks in detail. However, since you are required to write a one-page report, then there may not be enough space to write all these things. The one in the right would be a good example of a summary of the investment risks. You would also notice that it's not necessary to discuss here the share price impact for each risk. It's also good to add or to highlight the headline risk that you are most worried about. So here in our example, we have highlighted the top of mind risk for this particular power stock. Here are some examples of investment risks for the different sectors. Each sector or each company would have their own unique risks, so you would really need to read up a lot on your featured stock and the sector that they operate in. So it's good to be updated on the different news that would affect your chosen stock, especially for those with regulated operations. You would also notice that some names or some stocks would share common risks. These are usually macro risks or risks related to the economy. It's also important to explain how these risks would affect your price target assumptions. For example, a weaker than expected post pandemic recovery could affect a bank's loan growth and asset quality, while for other sectors, it can affect your volume and your revenue growth assumptions. For stocks that are rated sell or underperform, you would need to have a discussion on your upside risks. These are the factors that could make you more positive on the stock and catalysts that could increase your price target. Lastly, hold or neutral rated stocks cannot have catalysts, but they can have upside and downside risks. These are just the factors that can shift your rating to a buy or to a sell recommendation. And that ends my presentation, and I hope you learned a lot on writing investment risks. Thank you, and good luck to you all.